Alright, this is how to put an LED blossom tree together we bought from Costco. Check it out. There's the little parts over here. I've just set it down. This is an indoor-outdoor one. And all you have to do is just set that right on there, like that, and put it down, then you tighten that. But I'm not going to tighten that right now because I want to pull this line off of here so I can drag it over to my electrical socket. Got a socket right back here which has a timer on it, and as you can see the leaves have grown all over it, but this will work. So I'm just going to put this right in this bottom one here. Just going to push it right in there. And this is a timer and it goes on at dusk. Let's get this stuff out of here. Don't need that in there, growing in the middle of my electrical shit. And then this baby goes on top right here, and this keeps it from getting wet, hopefully. So this just snaps in there like that, and then I just set it right down on top of there. That's it. All right, as you can see, she's unwinding these. We put them away last year so
oh my
that
God,
they
are
wouldn't
you
get all
filming
ruined.
me?
And we're gonna hook them all together. Of course, she has to get involved. It won't let me do it by myself because I could screw something up.
Here, go ahead, stick it.
Yeah, see? She wants me to stick it somewhere. All right, we're gonna put it right over here. So if you look, I've got all of these. I've got all of these little things, and these slide right in there. But the big one I got to put on top, and these other ones go on the side here. So all you do is just push it right in there like that. That slides down, and then I need to lock it in by just turning. Honey, which one did you give me? So you want to balance it out. So I'm going to just get this one right on there so I get a little weight on this other side. Then I'm going to twist her down tight. So this is what we're looking at right now. We just got two on. I'm going to put the big one on next because that one's going to be putting all the weight in the middle. So here's my big one.
No, the big one's lying down.
Right here. And this one's going to go right onto the top. So that just sets right in there. That one goes on up. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten her down. I'm going to back up so you can see how it looks. So far, now I got to pull those all out, and we're going to adjust them after we get them all put in. All right, so you get all your branches in there, you get them all tightened down, and then you've got to do a little bit of spreading. All right, this is what it looks like before I fan them all out. So now I've got to fan all of these babies out to make it look like a tree. Do that by just kind of pulling down on each one. Now I got to spread them out slowly and make sure I don't dislodge any of these like flower areas, because sometimes they get kind of caught together. So you got to kind of, here's one that's all wrapped around it. You got to pop it out like that. I'm going to go around and do that all the way around the whole thing and spread them all out. Just going to go ahead and kind of pull them out, branch them out, make them look nice. I got to slowly do it so I don't, because I don't want to pull any of these little flowers off. So we're doing it very carefully, as you can see. Slowly popping them out all the way up to the top. All right, so I'm going to pull them all out. I'm going to get them all looking good real fast. Bam, 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 bam. Keep them all apart. Make sure all the flowers are on them. Check everything. Make sure it looks good. And it's nice and symmetrical and well balanced. And yeah. So as you can see, I'm going to spread them all out. My little girl here's doing it. She's really good at all this stuff. Would be nice if it had some branches lower. That's going to look pretty darn cool. You see I'm missing one right here, so I've got to put a new one on, and I think I do have another one that I'm missing. Yep, there's another one right there that I got to put a flower on, and smush it right on there. There we go. Can you see that? There we go, flower on. Now it's also important that you do decorate it with something else, and we've got a couple balls on there. We're going to put some more stuff on. All right, so, okay, so here's the full effect. It comes on at about 5:15 on the timer, and it makes this beautiful, nice looking tree. Kind of lights up the house, makes it look really nice. And that's it. That's how you do one of these trees. And there's the tree from this side. Looks nice coming out the door. There's the tree. Beautiful. We put some balls up here. We're going to do some more lights. And we're just getting ready for Christmas. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other awesome videos on decorating and other crazy stuff.